Howdy folks, today we're looking at the Pent sheds. There are two sizes available in this. This is the 7.5 by 7.5 one. The other one is the 8 foot by 6 foot. Anyway, they're called Pent sheds because they have a pretty apparent Pent roof. This means they slope from the front to the back. They're ideally for one of the sheds that doesn't poke over your boundary wall too much. Up top we've a full width polycarbonate window. This allows lots of natural light in. This is also the high point of the shed. It's 6 foot 10 inches and the low point, as we'll see in a second, is 6 foot 1. So the doors slide open and inside you can see the space available to you. Now we've got 3 shelving units here and they'll eat into the floor space a bit, but if you fill them up with your tools, bits like that, you'll be claiming a lot of that space back. Anyway, the frame is 0.6mm galvanised steel, the panels are 0.3mm zinc coated, and there are 0.6mm internal wall brace bars too. So the doors are 178cm tall, that's 6 foot 1 inches. And these horizontal bars add a good bit of support to the roof, as do the brace bars here on the walls. So that's the Pent sheds. There are 2 sizes available, as I said. Both are lookers. You can see this one in our showroom in Finglas, or you can see more details on our website at shedsdirectireland.com now.